My teacher is a detective. My teacher is not just a teacher. She is a detective too. She doesn't have a big hat. She doesn't carry a notebook. But she knows everything. She knows who didn't do homework. She knows who was whispering. She even knows who took the chalk. How do you know? We ask. She smiles and says, I have eyes everywhere. One day, someone dropped juice on the floor. Nobody said a word, but Miss looked at us. She pointed at Tom. Tom, clean it up, please. Tom looked surprised. How did you know? He asked. I just know, said Miss. Another day, my eraser was missing. I looked in my bag. I looked on the floor. It was not there. Miss came over. Check inside your desk, she said. There it was. How do you always know? I asked. She smiled again. Because I am your teacher, she said. Then she winked. Also, a little bit of a detective. One day, someone drew a silly face on the board just before the bell rang. We all laughed, but no one said who did it. Miss looked at us. She walked slowly. She stopped near Sam. Thank you, Sam, she said. Sam turned red. He smiled. Whatever is done, whenever it is done, however it is done, whoever has done it, our teacher knows. She's kind. She's clever. She's the best detective I know. Now, I try to be good because I know Miss is always watching.